We did it! 1 million followers. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. Thank you for exercising with me. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for screenshotting every Monday. Thank you for sharing my videos, and thank you for being part of my journey. And oh, what a journey it's been. When I first started my page, I never expected this to become my full-time job. I've always dreamed of it, but I can't believe it's actually reality. I started off like every other influencer, trying to make a page about me, showing off my skills, showing off my bod. I thought that's how I could motivate people. It wasn't until my sister pushed me to find my true purpose. You see, she was one of the most inspirational content creators in the world. She inspired people with her heart. Just like her, I knew I could do more with my talent and knowledge. She told me to let go of all the pressure of social media and lead with love. That's when my page became less about me and more about, well, helping you. My sister and I became such a great team. We called ourselves Twinsy Influencers. My sister Nally has passed since, and as much as some days I feel alone on this mission, 1 million followers reminds me that I have you to guide me along. And her spirit will be guiding me in the next phase of my journey. And I want to continue on this mission to help and inspire. I feel like I have the best job in the world. I get to show up every day and create content that I love. Still doing it with the ones that I love the most, in person and in spirit, for the people that I love. You. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you to each and every one of you who subscribed to my website and downloaded my app. 1 million hugs to you all. I am here with you in your journey, just like you've been with me. Let's keep going.